is Tyshawn Moore, and this assignment is your first application. Oh boy. So let's just say I went crazy with this guy. Originally, it started out with me just opening up the app and getting it done, and trying to get the prompt going and everything like that, right? Then all of a sudden, it turned into a full blown idea, and let's just say I uh, I got lost in time. I was supposed to be doing a whole bunch of other stuff, but I got lost in time. So now I got to do all that stuff now. So here it is. Okay, so we're back. So one of the things that I was running into is oh yeah, by the way, this is the result. This folder right here is the result of me going into chat dev, and then after going into chat dev, all of a sudden the idea just started going and kept going, and I started building off that idea. But we're gonna come back to that, right? So I can so I can do the example that I'm supposed to be doing instead of me wasting the time. Like, I've been on so many like segues since starting this class. It's ridiculous. I really appreciate this class. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna open up this guy first. Let's see, this out of the way. No. And then from there, do like how you've shown us. CD, because that prompt that I'm seeing right now is not in the folder that I want it to be in, and hopefully we can put that up there too. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. We're gonna close you up. We're gonna go ahead and open up this environment. So, I don't want to take too much time, but at the same time, I think this part, because this part was the part that was a problem for me in the very beginning of being able to even do this, which is crazy. I've been wanting to know how to do the environment aspect for a very long time because I was having problems with a lot of my programs in the past, and you helped out. So I appreciate that part. So let's see. I wonder if the same problem is going to arise again, because it seems like the same problem does. Let's see, Python. Let's see if I can. Let's see, Python. Gotcha. Oh, well, you know what? Let's see first if we could just open up this environment that's already there. Let me see if also this chat dev, if there's an environment in here already. No, I don't see. Okay, so let's go back. Yes, there we go. Let's go back. Because I also created another developmental area for this guy when I started diving deeper into creating this app, which was the app that I originally created was a app that analyzes music, analyzes. All I wanted it to do originally was put cue points on the areas in which I actually wanted to create. So that's pretty much all it was. I'm a DJ for fun. I used to DJ in the club. Now I don't care. It's all about class, and I literally have been sitting in the house, even though I haven't handed in this homework right away. All I've been doing is learning about this stuff. So anyway, let's see. One of the things I've been noticing. Wait, is this is regular? Is it command? Yeah. One of the things I've been noticing about this situation with what is it? Oh, scripts. one of the things I've been noticing with Windows is like similar to, or unlike Linux, you can tab into the next, let's say the next folder under the folder that you're in, which usually I tend to do that a lot. So when I started trying to do it in Windows, for some reason it just won't let me do it. So wow, what's in here? Yeah, we just want to activate this guy, and then we're going to just jump out of here. I'm sorry. Voila, we're into a environment. Open it up in code right now, which that's how you showed us once before. Just that, and then that, the boom, opens up the folder in code right at that area. But right now, what I want to do is I kind of want to just look around real quick, and it's going to be a quick look around, because right after that, we're going to go ahead and run this guy. We don't have to use this, but what does it say right now? Oh, because I use Python 3. I might have to set the API key. I think that's what one of the situations was. Yep, API key. And I got my own API key. I already had one. It's funny, like a long time ago I made one. I forgot that I even did it. So where is it? Where is it? It's seeing notebook. All right. Give me a sec. There we go. So I'm gonna pause this for, no, actually it doesn't matter. It does not matter. I can make a new key when I feel like it now, because I know how to do so. But with that being said, we will go ahead and, this was a valuable lesson. This was definitely a valuable lesson. And do things. So we're gonna go ahead and set this key. The key. Let's see if this is attached to that equal sign. Yes. And we're going to set that. And I put $5 on it. So in making this, it was only about 20 cents. I'll probably pull that up too if it doesn't bother this computer. It's funny, like I've really been putting a lot of pressure on this PC as a recent. Or this PC as a recent. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and run this guy. Okay, no, we're not running this guy because what we're missing is quite a few pieces. So wait, is it? Oh, because I already put. Okay, there is this other thing. We're gonna stop this. Stop. Yes, thank you. So let's see what it actually started to discuss really quickly. Okay, so it was gonna make one of those games. Okay, that was less than a cent. So part of the thing with me is I don't like 3.5 to write code. it does not help out with writing code well. It makes a lot of mistakes that you have to go and check. So let's see. Oh, I did do that. So this guy right here needs to be removed. Okay, so anyway, I'll do that another time. Let's see what company config has. Yeah, we're gonna go into this guy. Company config. Okay, no. What about? Okay. Oh, that's interesting. It's showing up here. Are we in a different folder than what AI chat dev? AI my AI chat dev. AI my AI company chat dev is. Let's refresh this. Launch Pi. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Well, I do want this stuff. Okay. Actually, I will use this, and I am also going to take this out of the folder. Yeah, so I started to try to manipulate the prompt that is created by the first engineer. So it can actually use just the prompt that I wanted it to use and not summarize some of the stuff that it was telling. I wanted the original engineer. For some reason, I feel like the original engineer has a better idea. It's kind of funny. I feel like the original engineer has a better idea on what to make than the prompting generator that summarizes what you're actually sending to it. So this is what I originally sent to the prompt. I forgot all about this. Yeah, it was late. It was late, and I was being creative. But I'm gonna make this more simple on this go around. Hotq Pilot will be in stores in 3 months or so. But in the same case, this got me to the beginning parts of, because truthfully, what they delivered was a bunch of empty files, and I want to see what it delivers this time. But it made a GUI, and that was it. And then I had to build on that GUI, which was cool because I actually learned more on that aspect as well. But here we go. So yeah, this time I'm going to make this is all I'm gonna use for the prompt. Just the first part. Getting rid of these things here, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna use for the first prompt. So let me go ahead and move this out of the way. And we're going to wait first, let me do this. We're going to set you up first. So we're going to set this guy, and I'll go back through and clean it up. Set this guy. So one of the things I'm doing also is dropping the name in of the company, because I started noticing, oh, it got organization name and like a whole bunch of other stuff that you can add to the name of the app, and all of a sudden now I notice, oh, you can also change the GPT in which is actually being used. So I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and change the stuff that's not needed. So boom. Right. Oh wait, don't need you. So. Let's go ahead and drop that prompt in. Yeah, all I'm gonna use this time is what else we want to do? Oh yeah, we want to get rid of this guy and this guy. Okay, that's in there. So boom, boom. That's the task and line in between. All right, so this is how we're gonna start it off. So we have the original situation of the Python, or the application that's running that's being called is Python. The script that's being run is run to be able to run the Python script. And we've already seen that, but just to no, we're not going to do that right now. So now we have the task. The task is develop a desktop application called HotQPilot. Sounds like HotQPilot, but anyway, HotQPilot that creates intelligent hotkeys for Serato DJ users using beat and structure analysis. Ooh, you know what? I got an idea. Just to do this one aspect, because this is something I started to incorporate at the very last minute. So, using beat, structure analysis, and Spotify. Now, if it makes it, I don't know. I doubt it. We'll actually complete it. Because I had to do all the work yesterday. And I shouldn't have been doing that work. I just went down this tirade. It was supposed to be me doing this video and then passing it on and then going to the next video. And then doing, just doing the work that needs to be done to satisfy you guys. But here we go. Oh yeah, that's right. The moment we get a chance, we need to figure out how to update that API. It's going through the rigmarole of what apps is created before. We've seen this in the warehouse area. These are the apps, folders, and what they've already created before, and what you will see right now. Because this needed to be recreated anyway, because like I told you before, I went ape on trying to develop this guy in another folder. Yes, so all those original files are gone. All of them are gone. I was all over the place. So recreating this is pretty cool. At least I get to see the situation from the beginning. You will start. Okay, as long as I got money on here, because last time I kept trying. I tried all the old codes. None of them worked. I was like, why it's not working? But it was working now because I figured out that there was no money on the old API code. So yeah, that was a learning experience. Oh wow, code reviewer. You know what? I want to go deeper into this app and possibly. So it is using liberals. Okay. Well, I had to use Liberos last time, but now it's using Liberos. I guess it's because of the way that I finally like formulated it right. Maybe, I don't know, some of the stuff, it just did not come out right. It was a good experience though. So we're gonna pause this for a second and then wait till the end. Oh, I thought that was the end already. There yet? No, we're not there yet. Waiting on the money. So I'm gonna pause it until we get to the end. Instead, while this is actually going about its business, creating the app, we're gonna go into the app that I created so that we can get like, you know, dual satisfactory situations going on here. So this is the app I created, right? It took a minute. I hate myself because I should have been doing classwork. I was doing classwork, but it should have stopped at one point and it just kept going. So let's see what they create again, and then I'm gonna show you what I finished with at the end of this morning. So this is Hockey Pilot. I gotta fix that. It gets on my nerves that it's this extra space down here, and I want to put the results area in this area right here. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. It's something that's giving me a buffer under the process file that it's messing up the process status being directly right up under the process file, and I don't know where it's at right now. Okay. Oh, it just did something. It just did something. Something popped up on my other screen. But this is the file that I created. I'm gonna jump to, let's say, 90s music crate. Yeah, I just messed up my crate, but good thing I got another one. But so with this guy here, what I would do is I'll drop the song in it. Oh yeah, that's right. Made a drag and drop area. That was hard. That's why it's two of them. I just never got rid of the other one. I was trying to. Anyway, it was a whole long story. You can either load it up that way, or you can drag and drop. The drag and drop was the hard part, because I had to go through a whole bunch of trying to figure that out. At first, I told it to send it to a certain directory that wasn't doing it right. Then I figured that we'll just use an output directory and figure out how to use the browse button, so on and so forth. Press the process button, and it comes down here, and tells you what it's doing. So now it's using Liberos to pretty much it's looking at each one of the pattern that I used is the impact points, or let's say the biggest peaks in the song, so then it can find the beat through that way, and then from there it strips it with another app, and then it only finds the vocals, and then after it finds the vocals, it looks at the timing on both of them on when that actually starts, and then tries to figure out, is that the first verse, which it hasn't been working properly. I still got to do more to it, but it's I'm happy that it's getting there, and I wasted a lot of time trying to figure that part out. But anyway, so now it sends the stuff to this folder here. Let's go ahead and find the music folder, then hotbar cue point folder, and then what the other thing it does too is it let me give me 1 second. It looks for the type of song, the information from the song. I have a specific way that I like to DJ, and I like to DJ off of energy. So I look for a genre first, and then I look for energy, or like the time that I'm actually playing the song, and then I look for energy that I'm actually playing the song in, and then from there it lets me play the song, or not lets me play the song, but that's how I kind of organize my music. So this was an idea that spawned from what I needed, and I was figuring I could probably make a app that isn't really working that well right now, but hopefully one day it'll work better. Put you back here, and then yeah. So yep, that's pretty much that part. So now I think it should be done with these guys. Yeah, they're done. Oh wow. Okay, this time around it cost me about 18 cents to make. Last time it was only 2 cents, so they put some work in, I see. I think it was like 20 cents last time. So okay. What does this say? Oh, they removed the cash. Oh, and now it's more of a fuller, more robust name on this situation. So now it has High Q Pilot, Aphotic Group is the company, and this is the date, time, and all that type of stuff that was in it. That's really good. So okay, now we're gonna go back to chat dev. Go back to chat dev. Let's go to the warehouse. We're in warehouse, and this is the text. Let's go with the most updated situation. Let's see. 2025 020 20 at 11. Wait. 2025 04 20. That's at 11. That's at 11. So where is the one? What's this text say? Okay. I'm gonna use another prompt though. I'm gonna find the other prompt or wherever it is. Where's the most recent one? Okay, there we go. Hot Q Pilot, Aphotic Group. Doesn't say it on here. Yeah, what time is it? Okay. Still, like, I don't see the new one. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Fuck it. I mean, oh, excuse me. Forget it. Let's go with this one. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's what it is. So, I'll be dropping this deliverable into the. Let's see, what do we need? We need a prompt file. Oh, that's the prompt file. Yep, that's the prompt file. Oh, the actual prompt file? Okay, we'll do that. The prompt file, documentation of the software, the submission should be in video. Okay, so I'm gonna drop both of these because I'm not sure if it means this prompt file or that prompt file. So I'm gonna just go ahead and drop both prompt files into submission. We're gonna go ahead and possibly run this Mama Jamma real quick just to see what it's like. Let's go into the warehouse folder. We're not in the warehouse. We need to go into the warehouse folder. All right. Now, this was something that I ran into last time when I actually tried to run the actual app that they created. It would not run, and then I realized I had to start installing all the requirements, so on and so forth. But I realized also if I do it in here, most likely they already installed it, so everything should work. But I wasn't doing that at first, so I was making everything harder than it needed to be. Okay, let's see. I might need to delete something the way this is looking. Let's see what folders are in here. I need to get into the newest hot queue. Oh yeah, Photic Customs is me. I started playing around with it a lot, and then, like I said, I got lost because I was trying to figure out how to work it, and then got lost into the mindset. Oh yeah, this is gonna be hard to just. Okay, that's the guy I need right there. Right. We're gonna pause this for a moment. Okay, we're gonna finish this up. Okay, so remember, just a moment ago, I was showing you that this app was the app that I started building upon from what was already built last time, right? So we didn't actually get a chance to see the actual app that they built, and yeah, so I started up real quick to see if it worked, and now that it's working, I'm going to show you. And start main, and voila, here it is, the app. Yes, the app. I guess you go. Oh, wait. Let's see what happens. Since I'm already tearing this folder up, I'll add more music to it again. And then where does it go? Where does it go? Where does it go? What happens? We can go into the files and see. But that's it for right now. I hope y'all having a great time. Whoever else is watching this, I might just make this public. I don't even care no more. Yeah, this might go public. So y'all have a great day. This is Tyshawn Moore. This is course CSC323, and we're out.